How long does it take to install cable railing? Today, I'll be answering that question to help you know whether or not you have the time for a project like this. As a bonus, I'll also be answering how long does it take to get my cable railing order. I'm Chris from Cable Bullet, and I'll be your cable railing expert for today. All right, let's jump into that first question. How long does it take to install? Really, that comes down to two main factors: what type of project you have and how many people you have to install it. For your project, if you're using existing wood posts, that would be a pretty fast process of drilling your holes and running your cables. It's likely something you could finish in a day, maybe a weekend. If you're installing a full system with new posts and handrail, that's something that will definitely take more time. Maybe 2 to 3 days of installing, and if it's your first time, plan on multiple weekends or a full week. As a side note here, check your deck before you put your railing on. There could be 1 to 3 days of additional work of just getting your deck ready for the railing. Check your structural points and check for level and plumb. That's going to save you a lot of headache in the long run. On the people side of things, more people will speed up installation, but you'll definitely start to hit diminishing returns once you get 3 or more people involved. Or if you have friends like mine who don't do much but are happy to drink your beer, if you're watching, you know who you are. Even just having a single person, like a friend or that special friend, will make installation a smoother experience. And on that note, where you definitely want to have that extra set of hands to help is when you're setting your posts, and then later on in the project when you're running your cables. Running your cables is arguably the easiest part, but it's also the most time-consuming, and having those extra hands to cut, crimp, and set your cables really speeds up the process. To summarize, more complex and larger projects will require more time to install, and more people will probably speed your process up. Now for that extra question, how long does it take to get your Cable Bullet order? At Cable Bullet, our lead times are measured in days, not weeks or months. You can get an estimate and project layout in as little as 24 hours, and once your order is placed, it ships within a few days. Hopefully this helps you understand how to budget your time for your cable railing project. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments below and start your project today at cablebullet.com.